Hey Daly City Rec and Home, it's me Zetz here for another Rec and Reading. This will be our last Rec and Reading for this summer. I want to say a special thank you to everybody that has watched, viewed, and made this an enjoyable program. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos, thank you, from Daly City Recreation. So today, for the Rec and Reading program, we are going to be baking some special celebratory cupcakes celebrating the first ever Rec and Reading summer program. Today's cupcakes are inspired by Pete the Cat and the Missing Cupcakes. Let's make a mess. Like this, you're gonna scrape it off, and then you're gonna put it in there, but you do it. Good. Brush it off with your finger. Good, add it in. Very good, mister.
This all smells like cookies.
It smells like cookies?
Yes.
Tap, tap, tap. Very good. Let's move this over here. Now, you said you wanted to break some eggs, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, crack the egg and put it in there. Be gentle. Very good. To the line, stop. Good job. You got it right there. Cream cheese in there.
The whole thing?
Yep. A little more. Elbows on that one. Good job. Hey everybody. I forgot to introduce everybody earlier to my special guest chef MJ. This is MJ, everybody. So here's our surprise cupcakes to go with our Pete the Cat and the Missing Cupcakes. I do want to make a special thank you to Matt and Chris for doing all the filming for this Rec and Reading. Of course to Miss Sarah. Without her, the program might have not started. To all my special guest chefs, Kayla, MJ, Ariane, Addison, and Jenny, and Angelo. Thank you all. Make sure to like, love, and subscribe. Make sure to stay safe and have fun! Hey, you want a cupcake?
Yes.
Not allowed! Just kidding, let's have a cupcake. All right, go for it. Pick one, anyone you want. Thumb up or thumb down? All right, everybody, bye-bye.